Well, I noticed all my cat food was missing, and I knew them cats wasn't eating it that quick, so I turned on the light out here last night on my patio and I looked, and there's a possum eating my cat food, so I thought I'd set up the live trap, see if I can catch him. I just put some cat food back there, and I also got a can of cheap sardines at Walmart. I'll set up my game camera and see if I can film the cats. So hey, let's leave this alone for a while and see if we can catch us a possum. Well, looks like I got you. Let's go turn you loose. Well, if you guys been watching my channel on a regular basis, you know this is the second possum I've caught out of my yard. And the funny part is, I live in town. These are city possums, but he's fixing to become a country possum, so let's go out in the country and give him a new home. Well, I'm at a little lake outside of town. I thought this would be a good little home for him. Plenty of water, food, shelter. So let's turn him loose. There you go. Let's go. Come on, you get out. Get out. There you go. Let's go. Get on. Come on. You can get out. Get out. Well, guys, the possum's got a brand new home out here at the lake. I hope you was entertained with this video. If you was, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'm going to do. So, hey, till next time, I'll catch you later.